Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will solve find players with 0 or 1 losses question. In this problem we are given an integer array matches where each element is an array and each array contains two elements, winner and loser. The first element is the winner, second element is the loser. In the result we have to return two lists. The first list is the list of players that have not lost any matches, and the second list that we have to return in the result is a list of all players that have lost exactly one match. To solve this problem we will create two hash maps, one for winners and one for losers. We will simply keep track of the count of wins and losses so far and return them in the result. Let's start with the implementation. For that we will first create two hash maps. Type integer will be, let's say, winners map is equal to new hash map. We will do the same thing for losers map. This will be losers. Okay. Then we will iterate over the matches array. Say int match, and here will be matches. To make the code more readable, we will declare two variables. Let's say int winner of the current match, int loser of the current match. Now we have winner and loser of the current match. Then we will start populating our hash map. As winner, we will get the default value. Get default of winner. If there is no key with the winner, simply return 0 as the value. We will do the same thing for losers map. Say loser. This will be losers map. Then we will create two lists of integer type. Type safety here. The winners is equal to new array list. Then we will do the same thing for losers. Now we will iterate over all of the keys present in winners map. That is int winner in the winners map dot key set. In our case, we have to return a list of all players that have not lost any match. To do this, we will check whether the current winner is present as a key in the losers map or not. Losers map dot contains key. If the winner is not present in losers map as a key, we can add the current winner to the winners list. Because the current winner is not present in the losers map, that simply means the current winner has not lost any of the matches. We will then iterate over the losers map. Losers map dot key set. Now we will check the count of the current loser. Losers map dot get loser is equal to 1. Add the current loser to the losers list. Okay. Our result, we only have to return those losers which have lost only one match. Then we will create our array list that we have to return in the answer. Okay, answer. And let's sort our winners and losers. Me correct the typo here. And add the sorted lists to the answer list. Winners, then, and return the answer. Let's run our code. See, we are getting some error. Cannot find symbol. Okay, we forgot to use the put method here. Okay, and cannot be converted to type int list integer list. Okay, incompatible types list integer cannot be. Okay, where is there? Line number 19. We have to add winner here, not winners. Okay, the two test cases are passing. Let's submit our solution. Our solution has been accepted. Let's talk about the time and space complexity. As you can see, we are sorting our lists here. So the time complexity will be big O of n log n, and the space complexity will be big O of n.